Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and I'm Tom, and today I'm going to cook up some of these beautiful short ribs here, these beef short ribs. I'm going to barbecue these bad boys, and I'm going to start out putting them in this Ninja FOODi, and I'm going to pressure cook them for about 20 minutes, and then we'll go get on with the barbecuing. So now the first thing we've got to do, I've got a cup and a half of this Swanson's beef broth here, and we'll put in here. And we'll put the FOODi basket down in it. Then we'll take these beautiful ribs down here and put in it. And we'll stand them up. I got room to stand all of them up. Putting bone down. I don't know if it matters or not, but anyway, putting bone down here. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is put the pressure lid on here and make sure you turn your little indicator here over to seal. Put your lid on, line your arrows up, turn it clockwise till it stops. Now sometimes I jar that little indicator over to vent instead of seal, but make sure you turn it back on seal before you start. Alright, now we'll turn on the power. Now we'll come over here, and as you notice, see all these little indicator lights are lit up here. That says pressure, steam, slow cooker, and sear saute over here, but you can't sear saute with that lid on. I don't know why the light comes on, but anyway, we'll go here and hit the pressure button. And we'll leave it on high. And we're going to come up here and put it for 15 minutes. And now we'll hit the start button. Now, if you're not familiar with this Ninja FOODi, these little lights will go around chasing each other like that for about 7 minutes, and then it'll build up enough pressure in there to start cooking, and the little red button will pop up in the back. I'll show you that in a minute. But in the meantime, while y'all are waiting, how about joining my channel and give me a thumbs up? I sure appreciate it. And we really do appreciate all you people that watches our videos. It means a lot to us, more than you know. So, now, we'll wait for that 7 minutes and we'll be back. Now it's been about 7 minutes since I first hit the start button here. And now, it's been, the little red button's been moving around a little bit, and you hold your hand over it. You don't want to hold your hand over it long because that's hot coming up out of there. So you don't want to do that, but it's fixing to pop up in just a second or two. And there it went, and now it's all sealed up. And now we'll come back around here. Hope that don't make you too dizzy like it does me sometimes. And you notice the little lights are still chasing each other around, and that's normal. So if you're new to the Ninja FOODi, don't think something's wrong, because nothing's wrong, because it'll do this for a couple more minutes now before it really starts to cook. So, but it never takes very long. I mean, a minute, 2 minutes tops. You know, it'll start cooking away. And there it goes, counting down from the 15 minutes. Took about 2, maybe 2.5 minutes tops. I didn't exactly time it, but it wasn't, if it was 2 minutes, it wasn't much more after that. So, anyway, I'm going to tell you something else too. I've got links down below where you can order stuff. And every once in a while people go to other links, or after they get down there on my link, they'll go somewhere else and order something else. Well, it comes back over on my page. And so I'll look it up. And if it's anything I think y'all might be interested in, I just go ahead and put it on in my store. So go down and check out my Amazon store sometime if you don't check out any of the other links, and just see some of the things I've got in the store there. Under 20 seconds left on this first cook here, and For some reason or another, everybody says after it finishes pressure cooking like this, you need to let it set. I've heard 5, I've heard 10, I've heard 15 minutes. Some will let ours set for 10 minutes and do a natural release. And now the Ninja FOODi, it will count down for you, just like right here. And it's going to show you how long it's been sitting there doing a natural release. So, I really don't know what the purpose of this is. Now, I have done it where as soon as it's finished, I just done a quick release. And it tasted fine to me. So, we'll see how it tastes when this comes out here. So, like I said, I'm going to give it about 10 minutes and then we'll do a quick release on it. Okay, now it's just been doing a natural release here for about getting almost 10 minutes, and there it goes. Now we'll go up here. I'll move you over so y'all can see what's going on, maybe. Maybe adjust this camera a little bit. There it is. Now, we'll turn this button over here to vent. And there you can see the little red button drop down. The actual time on that was 1 minute and 40 seconds after I hit the vent. And so now the next thing we're going to do is, let me back up a little bit. We'll turn the lid counterclockwise. Turn it up away from your face. Golly, y'all won't believe what them ribs look in there. And now let's see if we can get a better look at these short ribs here. These short ribs are looking pretty good. Look at that. Now that looks pretty good right there. Now we'll have to move everything for a minute because I'm going to rearrange things here, so I'll be right back. Okay, now for the time being we'll take these ribs out of this pot. Don't that look good? And put them on this plate here. Now these two came all the way off the bone. See the bone? I'll tell you right now, folks, these are going to be good. I see right now you can just reach down there if it wasn't so hot. You'd be able to reach right down there and tear that thing apart. So now, let me move again. First thing I want to do is, so I don't forget, I'm going to put salt and pepper on them on one side. Now we'll take some of this Weber's barbecue rub here and put on here. As good as these things smell, in about 10 or 15 minutes they're going to smell even better. Now I'm going to take some of this McCormick Grill Mates Montreal steak here and put on them. Okay, now I'm going to turn them over and do the same thing to the other side. So when I finish that, I'll be back. Okay, now just moving around, turning them back and forth over. I only got one bone left in there, so I'm going to put these back in there because I tell you right now, these things are so tender. Not going to be long before I find out just how tender, because I'm going to eat them up. Now, you got to be careful here because you sure don't want to burn them. So I'm going to let me move the camera first. Now I'm going to turn the power back on. And I'll put these things on crisp or air crisp for, I'm going to leave them at 390. I ain't going to push them up any higher than that. I'm going to bring it down to 10 minutes and then we'll hit start. Now I'm not going to cook these things a whole lot longer than that. I'm going to stop these at about 6 minutes when they start, when the seasoning starts getting in there real good. Then we'll put some barbecue sauce on them. And then we'll stop them again in a few minutes and we'll turn them over and put some on the other side. And we'll see how these turn out. It looks like they're going to be good. Okay, now they've been in this crisper basket here for a little over 3 minutes. I lost my handy dandy barbecue brush, and so now I found it. So we'll raise the lid. And you can't see very well from here, can you? So we'll move over here so you can see down in there a little better. And we'll spread some barbecue sauce on all these. Oh boy. And I wonder why I'm so fat. Actually, I'm not fat. The doctor said I lost 3 pounds this morning. All right, now we'll let that go on for a couple of minutes here. Okay, it's got 4 minutes left, so I'm going to take it. Oh boy, those look good. I'll take it and turn them over. I'm going to take some more of the Sweet Baby Ray's here, and I know a lot of y'all don't like Sweet Baby Ray's, but hey, it's what we got in the house, so it looks pretty good right now. Of course, if I had some other kind, that kind might look good, but this is what I got for now. So, anyway, I got some on it. I'm going to spread it out a little bit. I said that a lot of times, this is one time I really wish y'all had smell-o-vision. I want to tell you right now, these things smell good. I don't know if I can wait another 4 minutes to eat them or not, but here goes. Alright, now we're down to 12 seconds on these. We're about ready to take them up. And it's about lunchtime. Okay, and it's done. It always says cool. And it says done. So we'll raise the lid. Y'all see down in here real quick. That stuff's just a sizzling away. So, anyway, back over here to the plate. Well, look at that. Gee whiz. Now, I don't think you're going to find much better short ribs than those right there now, these beef short ribs. By the way, if y'all have never tried one of these little barbecue brushes like this, or whatever kind of brush you want to call it, really ought to give it a try, because you'll be amazed how easy that thing cleans up. It's not like the old type of brush or the mop or whatever. That thing just cleans up right away, if that means anything to you. You might not care whether it cleans up easy or not. So anyway, let's see how this is. Fork just falls through there. Look at that. Now, can you see that? My hand quit shaking so much you could, wouldn't you? You see that? That stuff just comes apart there. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, there's a lot of pots out there that does a lot of different cooking, but you're not really get a pot that cooks like this. Has them that tender, and then you just put some barbecue sauce on them, flip them over a time or two, and go ahead and crisp them up. That is delicious right here. So that's it for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, because this is really a fun one to do. And it sure is good. So I hope you try this sometimes in your Ninja FOODi, because that's the only thing you can get to cook it this way. So until next time, I'm going to eat these things up as fast as I can. They're good. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day, and come back and see me as soon as you can. I hope to have another video for you real soon. And again, if you can, give me a thumbs up and join my channel. And thanks again for watching. Goodbye now.